Let's review some funny moments with Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the world. This is undoubtedly one of the funniest Olympic moments. Here Usain Bolt gets knocked down by a cameraman in a Segway at the Beijing Olympics.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Bolt the runner is very funny, both on the track and off.
It was great to having you here. Usain Bolt oczywiście zadowolony. Cel na ten bieg był, żeby zejść poniżej 10 sekund i udało się. To oczywiście nic niezwykłego w jego przypadku, ale to rzeczywiście w tym sezonie było ważne, żeby ze startu na start poprawiać się. Zadowolony jest z tego, że pierwszy raz w historii, pierwszy raz w karierze mógł pobiec poniżej na stadionie narodowym. On tutaj przyjechał z misją, żeby zarazić taką
Bolt beaten at last.
This time Powell's got a brilliant start too, so has Liren Clark, and Powell going well at the moment. Here comes Bolt, it's Powell and Bolt, and Bolt's coming through on him. Bolt gets it, Powell in second place, 9.79 plus 0.6 metres per second. And I tell you what, well, she'll remember that moment, won't she? Wonderful, but Powell had problems.
Gonna go with the flow now, yeah.
去左去右，將身體融入呢個節奏，冇人會怕醜喺飲醉之後。如果覺得熱，即管打開紐扣，動作開始有啲挑逗。
You there, man? You there, man? Look at this guy, man. I'm curing this guy. Look at me, man. See, that's why I feel I'm gonna win. I'm confident, man.
Asafa, what do you think you're gonna win?
Look and tell, just look. That's all. That's
not cute.
Well, it's just confident. You see?
Want to see the result?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Let's go.
So sick. So sick. It's gonna be a poll. Wait. Pause. This is not about being fast. It's about good look. Who's got the best look? Look.
Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. You see that?
Girls, you need to vote. Call into the station and vote. I'm gonna ask her in 2 weeks. Vote.
If you're gonna choose, who do you think needs one last vote from one of you?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna vote for myself. What are you talking about?
So you think you need it?
I'm gonna vote for him.
You think I need it?
You think I need? I'll take it. I'll take the vote.
Okay.
I'll take the vote.
Vote.
If you win me by one, I'm gonna take it back.
This is it.
This is it, you see it now.
Oh, come on!
That's not true. That's not right. That's not. Don't show nobody this.
Check out the eyes again.
Don't show nobody this.
How do you feel, Asafa?
Well, it's not my fault.
Listen to me. Girls, I'm like really sad right now. Look at my face. I'm like really sad.
Come on, you have to show him some love. Show him some love. Come on.
I can't believe it.
Give him some tissue.
I'm alright. I still love you guys. Peace. Well done, man. Congrats. Congratulations on winning.
Here is another Usain Bolt funny moment. This time he's dancing with Shenseea, one of Jamaica's top dancehall artists.
We all do it. Bluffing is an important part of the game. Under here is a thing. It's your call. Tell him what it is, or you bluff it. You're up, Kevin.
Sounds like a bad day for you, buddy. Are we on a slope? I just feel like he's a lot taller than me. Okay. Put my poker face on. There's a pair of goggles under here that are one of a kind. These goggles give me Bolt vision. I can see anything, and I can see the future.
You're bluffing.
It's a Bolt vision goggles.
Bolt vision goggles!
These things, okay? When you put these on, when you turn these around, you can obviously see Bolt vision stuff. So, obviously, I wasn't lying. Kevin Hart
All right.
won. Usain, as we expected, losing. Nothing.
Let's get the next item. Usain, it's your turn.
Now in this clip, we see Usain Bolt having a funny moment with Barack Obama, President of the United States.
Come on, let's get a good one over here. Nobody's ever been faster than this guy. Ever. Of all the billions of people. Hold on a second. Wait, should we get a pose here? Yeah. Come on, man, show me. Oh, there it is. Wait, I gotta make sure my feet are erect. There you go.
And then next we see Mr. Obama, who can be funny himself, having a funny moment with the Jamaican public.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Greetings, Massive. Hey. Wagwan, Jamaica.